Okay, so a new challenger has appeared in the React ecosystem.
A lot of people are calling it the Nextjs killer. But is that the real story here?
So, what exactly is it? It's a full stack framework that gives developers direct, hands on control.
And its whole philosophy is a huge contrast to Nextjs. It's all about letting developers build.
All right, let's look at the argument for why some people think TanStack Start is going to win. It really comes down to control. TanStack ditches the magic of Nextjs for code you can actually see. You get true type safety from the server all the way to the client. No more guesswork. And that's why it feels so familiar. It's supernatural for anyone who's used React Router or Remix. And a huge plus, vendor independence. You can deploy this thing anywhere, no lock-in.
Okay, but let's switch gears. Nextjs is definitely not dead, not by a long shot.
First off, just look at the scale. We're talking millions of developers and a massive ecosystem. That means tons of resources, huge enterprise trust, and you know it's been battle-tested. Plus, it absolutely excels at things like SEO and server-side rendering right out of the box. And you know all that magic? For a lot of teams, that's a feature, not a bug. So, TanStack Start isn't going to kill Nextjs. What's really happening is a split in the ecosystem.
You'll see two paths emerge: Nextjs for speed and content, TanStack Start for those really complex apps.
And this isn't about replacement, it's about divergence, a pattern we've seen a ton in tech. So who's the winner here? Well, the crazy thing is, it's everybody. This competition is good. Nextjs is going to be pushed to get better. Less magic, more type safety, you know? And TanStack Start, it's going to keep pushing for more modern, explicit architecture. So the real takeaway is this. The winner isn't a framework. The winner is the whole React ecosystem.